Missed the last Bitcoin rally? Don't worry. This TradingView setup is giving fire laser-accurate BTC/USD buy and sell signals in real time. Presented by Algo, where smart traders roar with profits. Using a custom-built algorithm on TradingView, we've cracked the code to catch major BTC/USD reversals. Buy when it flashes green. Sell when it flashes red. Backtest it. Live test it. Fully transparent. You'll see exactly when the signal triggers with entry, exit, and trailing stop levels all on your chart. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this strategy gives you confidence and precision in every trade. Watch the full strategy in action. See the signals. See the results. Hit subscribe, smash the like, and turn on notifications. Because Algo is just getting started. Let your trades roar louder than your doubts. Algo, where charts speak profits.